Today we're working on a LEX78 vehicle, and we're going to show you how to go back and forth from the VLine UI and the factory UI. Right now we're in the aux source, so the VLine will come up. We'll press the radio button, and that'll change the source, and the VLine will go away. If we wanted to listen to the FM radio or any of the other sources here, we can go to any of these. So we'll go to satellite, and we'll press and hold the map button for 3 seconds.
844-711-8800 now. Activate your...
And the VLine will come up on the screen. And now we've got the VLine up, and we're listening to the satellite radio. If we want to get out of this, we can press and hold map again. And now we're back to just the satellite source and the factory UI. And to get back to the VLine, we'll press the media button until we're in the aux source. And now we'll have audio coming from the VLine itself. We're going to be going over a new feature we added for the LEX78 vehicles. For the climate controls now, if you make any adjustments, it'll flip back to the factory side so you can see it, and then it'll come back to the VLine. That option can be found up here in the hamburger menu under the VLine settings and vehicle integration. And at the top here, factory climate control, I'll turn that off. And then now as we make changes, it's not flipping over anymore. And this is how it originally was. And we'll turn that back on for the setting to continue working.